I have actually purchased a flat and I was exploring in the net for the interior designers and I like space saving furniture. So I found that Invisible Bed is actually providing vast varieties of these space saving furniture. So my experience with Invisible Bed, I would say it's awesome. When I found it in the net and then immediately I contacted through WhatsApp and so they immediately responded and throughout the process, right? So it's a great experience. In fact, during the installation also it was very quick and the delivery is also very quick. And then I actually used to interact with Ramesh, and then he was very helpful in providing the suggestions, in providing the kind of varieties that they are providing, and then finally helping me in selecting the right one. And then throughout the process of installation, it's awesome experience. So my requirement came from the pain area. When I purchased so much of a furniture, it occupies the flat. I was actually only apprehensive that it may not be basically durable, but I think when I spoke with the representative, I understand that I think they are actually giving 10 years warranty, and which has actually pushed me to go for it. And then the entire process is, as I said, so it's awesome. So we have installed this in the guest bedroom, and we feel I think it is more appropriate, and I definitely use it even wherever it is needed. I am still looking for it. Wherever I can use, I'm thinking about using it. It's not only bed, right? So it also has the add-on features, like you also have a storage, you also have a sofa, you can convert that to a workspace. So many the concepts are there. Our flat was seen by so many people, and I think they see this as a new concept for sure. And then when they come inside the room, they feel that there is no bed in this. But I think once we show them that there is a bed in this, they were actually positively surprised. A couple of them actually taken the contact number, and then I'm sure I think they are working with Invisible Bed right now to get this space saving furniture in their home as well. Invisible Bed is really a space saving expert.